Stampers! Look what came in the mail today. I am so excited. This is the September Paper Pumpkin Kit. And you can see it's kind of like a Cajun craze color with some old olive for the Paper Pumpkin logo. And then that black on the ends. You can see, guess maybe I should turn it around. Hello Pumpkin, September 2020. Paper pumpkin, super, super cute. This would be great to reuse this box to send out some fabulous Halloween treats. So I'm super excited about that because if I can fit my Halloween treats in here for my nieces and nephews, then I can reuse this box. So I'm super excited about that. I love that Stampin' Up! Cellophane wraps the boxes now with the information on that cellophane wrapper rather than sticking the sticker on the box, because then it makes it so much easier to reuse that box. So I'm not surprised to see Cajun Craze as the color, with the box being Cajun Craze as well. My camera is not wanting to focus on that, but it is Cajun Craze. And then it looks like we have kind of, let me see if I can, oh, perfect. So you can see that there's like kind of a rusticy, elegant, maybe not elegant, but like a rusticy pumpkin. But then of course you have your pumpkin face, a smaller pumpkin face, a leaf, another leaf, a flower. And then this is like a witch's hat with a little like flower, leaves, and pumpkins around it. And then the greetings say, give thanks, hello pumpkin, trick or treat, spooky and sweet, and have a happy Halloween. So a lot of great Halloween greetings that can be used for so many different things, whether it's for young little trick-or-treaters or for just a regular Halloween card. Since I'm not a huge fan of Halloween, I know, gasp, those who absolutely love Halloween are probably thinking I'm crazy, but I feel like it's kind of one of those like love, hate, I don't hate Halloween, but dislike sort of holidays that I just don't really get into it that much. So I usually don't buy a lot of Halloween crafting supplies, but I love that Paper Pumpkin sort of takes care of me, that I can still get in some crafting with Halloween stuff, and of course treats for my nieces and nephews. So they went with some white tissue paper this time. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest ever! Look at that. Aren't they so adorable? All the different colors and everything. I absolutely love it. So these are like little cracker style boxes. Let me see, I can try to like leave that up there and that. So we have some, there's some strips of adhesive in here as well as your mini glue dots. And then of course there are Stampin' Dimensionals. So, ooh, these, can you see the fact that they're strips? Kinda. And then mini glue dots, dimensionals, and then both white and black baker's twine. And then here are the two different styles of cracker style boxes. And they have that cute little scallop edge. And they're already pre-scored and everything. Oh, wait. Do we have more? Oh, they're the same thing. That's just the two sides. So you can pick whichever side you want. So you can either do them all in this pattern or all in this pattern. And they're fairly thick because they're like almost like cardboardy. But there's pieces that pop out. They're already pre-scored. You just kind of need to put them all together. You know, you could do a lot with those little diamond shapes too, because you're going to end up with a ton of them. But there's like all these different score lines that you probably want to score really strong, just because it'll fold together much easier that way, I'm sure. And these are small, so they don't fit a ton of candy or treats on the inside. But yet I think they're still big enough to where you don't feel like you have to spend $1 million just to fill a treat box and gift that out. So super, super cute. Let's see how many are in this kit. There are 20 of them. So that's perfect. I'll have plenty for some of my neighbors, and then of course my my nieces and nephews. You can see how it kind of comes together. overlapping that one, I'm pretty sure. And then these sort of pop down like that. And then, of course, you tie. So super, super cute. And then it looks like, oh, we got some kitties and some black flowers. I don't think we're stamping these, so I'm going to go ahead and push them out. There's a couple sheets here, so I'm just layering them all together and punching them out as one. That just makes it a little bit easier. But there's little kitties, and there's actually little whiskers that are, like, I don't know if you can see the lines for the whiskers. They're like kind of scored just to give a little bit of texture. And then there's different sizes of flowers that you can see there too. So there's our little black kitties. And then we have little curly cues. And then this beautiful lattice is absolutely stunning. Of course, if you didn't want to use the black, you could always turn it over and use white, or you could always sponge this another fabulous color. So little curly cues, and then those fabulous lattices, or lattice-eye. I don't know, what is the plural of lattice? Let me know in the comments if you happen to know. Then here are a whole mess. There are 4 sheets. You can see there are leaves up here at the top. And then there are more leaves in the brown. And then there's flowers and leaves. You can see there's flowers and then the 2 sets of leaves. And then there's also flowers and leaves in the yellow. So again, lots of fabulous little die cuts. And then we have a whole bunch of white ones. So there's white labels as well as white flowers. So some of these might be actually stamped. And then of course, all of the labels for our greetings. So there's like regular banner labels. I'm hoping you guys can see those so I don't have to punch them out. But then these actually are scalloped and then they have a stitched edging, which is super cute. And there seems to be so much goodie in this kit. Like there's 1,000,001 of these. I know that there are 20. So decorating with that is quite a bit. But here's some more flowers. The little centers of the flowers actually poke out too. So it kind of gives a little bit more color and texture to the flower. And then some little witches hats. And a few, oh, there's a little curly cue. A few sheets of pumpkins and orange banners, and then also some flowers along the edge here. So they're already colored and decorated for you, which is awesome. Here's more curly cues in both that green and brown. And then some yellow curly cues and some more of those fabulous lattice pieces. There are so many decorations and layering pieces. I am super impressed. I feel like there's a ton of stuff in this kit, and I can't wait to put these together. A lot of great fall options, but then of course you also have a few of those like spooky options too, depending on whether you want to go more, just fall and basic, or if you wanted to go more Halloween, trick-or-treat, spooky. I feel like there's really a little bit of everything for both options. So that is super, super fun. Of course, I'll be posting all of the finished products of these on my blog, laurastampad.com, which I'll leave a link for down below. You can also check out past kits in the link below and sign up for all future kits of Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription kit. You can sign up for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, however long that you enjoy it, as long as you cancel and sign up before the 10th of the month. That's whenever it hits and processes through each month. So you just need to make sure that you cancel or suspend or sign up by the 10th of the month. Again, I will leave a link down below. The next one's going to be Christmas themed with Joy to the World. And I'm super excited about that. It will come October 10th. So until next time, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and happy stamping. Bye-bye.